What's up, gang? Back with another banger, and today I'm gonna be doing the oil change. So as you see, my car is already up on the stands. I'm about to go underneath there and bust that nut. All right, so let's. What's up, guys? Back at it again with another one. Today I'm gonna be changing the oil. It's really dirty. It gave me a sign that I need to change it. So I did have to get the bolt extractor. Let's make sure we catch it. Alright, I believe it's off. Got it. Alright, that's pretty full, so let me dump some of this out before it makes a real big mess. I'll be right back. Get another situation going. Okay, I'm also changing the catch can. It's like a quarter. Pretty dirty. Okay, so I took that off. I took the top off. I am going to be changing the coolant. I do have a leak over here in this corner. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, over here in this corner, right there. I need to change this, the bracket over here. It's leaking from this little piece over here. I'm losing coolant. My coolant is low, I noticed. I ordered 2 jugs, so I got 2 jugs and a half. I know I'm gonna lose a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna change that out. Yep, let's get back to this oil change, guys. Let's go, we almost done. Okay, now I'm about to put the nut back in there, and then I'm going to change the oil filter. All right, let me prop the phone up. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, the oil change is complete. This is the strip bolt. Yes, it looked terrible. So I ordered another one off of Amazon for about $5-6 bucks. I installed it myself. I also took care of that coolant problem. I changed the brackets, and I don't have no leaks yet. I'm waiting for any leaks. I topped off the coolant, and I'm about to give it a test run, guys. I'll be back.